Welcome, my friends. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Jen Hilman, and I'm so glad to have you here for part 3 of my smoothie series. Today we are going to be making an orange smoothie, which is actually going to have orange juice, pineapple, and mango, which is going to give it that beautiful, radiant, orangey yellow color. We are also going to be using walnuts, which is going to give us a heavy dose of protein, good for the brain, and energy to keep you going through the day. And we'll also be adding a special ingredient of cinnamon to give it a wonderful warming spice. So go ahead and like this video, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Then go ahead and pull out your ingredients and let's get ready to smoothie. And just like that, you have yourself an orange or yellow smoothie. Thank you so much for joining me for this series. I hope that it's given you some inspiring ideas about how quick and easy it can be to make a smoothie and how truly satisfying it can be to get all the nutrients that you need in a really simple meal. So enjoy. I look forward to seeing you next time.